I am partnering with Ulta Beauty, and I thought I would go there today and go through the nail stuff. As I told you, my nails need some attention, and I need to get my sèche vite, and I want to see what new colors and everything they have. So I'm going to take you with me. Okay, so I'm here, and I was just thinking, have you guys ever done that? Oh, let me shut the car so you can hear. Have you guys, I don't know if your neighborhood does this, but have you ever been booed? I was thinking about maybe doing a little basket for my niece, a little boo basket, spooky chic boo basket or something like that. So that's something I was thinking I might do too. Just an idea if you have a granddaughter or a niece or something like me that you want to give them something else besides candy. Okay, I'm going in now. Hey, you guys. Okay, change of plans. I never could find a place in the parking lot that had good enough lighting. I filmed my huge haul here and you couldn't see anything. So I'm home now. I've got everything, including the little gift bag for my niece. Okay, so let's see. Let me show you all the stuff I got for her bag. Okay, so I am going to fill this gift bag up along with, I'm sure I'll put some candy and stuff too, but I wanted to show you the cute stuff that I got. Okay, one thing about me is I don't like mean Halloween stuff. There was all kinds of stuff from that musical Wicked, the good, like the darker side and the lighter side, but I didn't know she was into that. So I got her this scrunchie that lights up. I thought this would be cool when like the kids are trick-or-treating, you want them to be lit up when they're walking like on the side of the road. And I just thought that was cute. Then I got her this glow in the dark beauty sponge. I remember years ago, someone had one of these and loved it. And everybody wanted it and it was a limited edition. So I thought this was pretty cool. They had all kinds of lashes, these press-on lashes that are really good for children to use. And they even had some with like pink and different things on it. But these are just the plain, just in case she wants to add a few lashes just for fun. I got the pink and the blue. It's either sparkly mascara or for your brows. And I thought I would give one of these to my niece and maybe one to Brooke. I got this little sparkly Wet n Wild highlighter for my niece just to play with. I figured no matter what they are dressing up as, little girls love stuff like this, and it's so cute and it just looks pretty in the bag. I didn't really see any of the nail decals that I liked for Brooke or my niece, but I saw these, which are the leopard nail accent stickers. I do know on Ulta Beauty online, there are some Halloween stickers, but I got these for my daughter Brooke because she is going as a leopard. I got her this to put in her bag. It is a really thin black eyeliner, and I thought it would be good for Brooke to do either her whiskers or like dots on her nose. And if she doesn't want it, then I'll put it in my niece's bag. I figured it would be good for like drawing, doing little designs and stuff like that. And then this is something I saw the other day when I was in there. And when I was younger, this is something I would have loved. It's just some cool little hair clips. I feel like this is just about all you need when you get to be our age. If you want to like put something like this in your hair and then like wear something like I'm wearing today, black, like I used to wear a black dress. Okay, and then let's go into the other things that I got because, and I got her this too. Have you seen this? The little mini brands, and it is these teeny tiny little products. I think there's like one of them in there that is a little product, but it was not really expensive. And you know how little girls love like teeny tiny little things. So I grabbed this to put in her Halloween bag too. Okay, for me, I grabbed this Pillow Talk Icons on the Go kit. And the reason I did is one, to show you in case you want a gift idea. I think this is a great gift. And what I wanted to do was buy this Pillow Talk eyeshadow, and the whole kit was not much more than the eyeshadow. So I got the whole kit. Then I got this Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. I saw someone use this and I wanted to try it. It is the Hydrating Foundation Stick. Okay, typically I would not try this, but my friend that works at the Charlotte Tilbury counter said that it's really good and that you could still layer your makeup over it. So I thought I would give it a try for us. For those of you that like light coverage, kind of like I have today, you may love it. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize, and I got this little small one, and everybody says this is really good. It does look like it has some good stuff on the wand, like plenty of mascara on there. And I always love the little trial size. For some reason with my eyes, it just works better. Then I had to try this new NARS palette. She said they kept selling out of it. And a lot of times I get these and they're just not for me. They're too orangey and too dark. But this one just looked so pretty. First of all, look at the outside. And then look at these colors. They are just so pretty. Look at that color. And look at that highlight. Beautiful. And since I've got so many things, I'm just kind of doing a haul video today since I just got home. But let me know if you want me to try any of these things, and I will. Okay, this is, I showed you the wrong one. Okay, the one I showed you that was so dark, I got that in case I wanted to use it as a kind of like a contour. And then the color we matched to my skin tone in this is the, yes, that's much better. I mean, that looks like a good color. This is the, let's see, I'm gonna say it again, the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. So I'm hoping if I set it, it will work for me. If not, Ulta Beauty is good with returns. This is a new product at the Chanel counter, and it's one of their new blushes, cream to powder, and the color I picked is Rose Radiant. When I got in the car and I looked at it, it looks kind of dark. So I will give it a try and let you know. Oh my gosh, I love the way Chanel blushes smell. They smell so good. It's that rose smell, but I think it just takes me back to my youth, because when I was in my 20s, I would say 85% of my makeup was Chanel. I remember Lancome, a lot of Lancome skincare and Chanel, and I used Lancome Definicils at the time. That was my favorite mascara. Okay, I got 3 of the e.l.f., 3 or 4. Okay, I got 4 of the e.l.f. lip liners to try. This one is Baddest Beige. This one is Truth or Bear. Let us know down below if you've tried any of these. And this one is Cream Glide Lip Liner in Pinky Swear. And they were like $2 or something like that. Matter of fact, I might even put one of those. I don't know. I always want to put stuff in her gifts and everything just to play with, but I don't want to cause any problems with her parents. So, and then this one is Malvaside. So like I said, if you've tried these, let us know. Okay, this I tried in the car with you guys, and the sun was just too bright. But I was impressed. It's the e.l.f. It's their new, kind of like everyone else has, where it's kind of like they've taken a lip gloss and barely made it solid enough to cram it in a tube. That's what these are like. And they're called Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. And it does, you feel the plumping. And the color I have on before I ate was, oh my goodness, I'll have to put it down below. It was something pink something, but let's try it again. So it has the clicky and it feels really good. I mean, e.l.f., if you're not really obsessed with packaging, you would like e.l.f. And then even like this packaging still comes in a little box and everything. So, okay. And then I'm on kind of a brow, just a little bit of a brow hunt, because most of the time I just like the Anastasia brow, the one that's slanted, and I either use medium brown or taupe. But I wanted to try some new products, and so I got this, which is, I've used this before. It's the taupe in this Legendary Brows, and it has this itty bitty little wand. So I got that to try, and my friend said that she likes to use that. And then you go over with this, which is the Brow Cheat, and I got the color, I remember, soft brown, and I haven't used it, so. And these never swatch very well. There's an old swatch left from my car. Okay, yeah, it's right there, but with my bony hand, you see it. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Maybe leave down below your favorite brow products. I used to love that Dior Kabuki styler. Oh, I've used all of it and they don't make it anymore. Okay, this is a new MAC lip liner. MAC came out with a few new lip liners. One of them I believe is called Graze, and it's on back order, and they didn't carry it in Ulta Beauty. This is the one that I was wearing today in the beginning of this video. And here, okay, this is the swatch of it here because I swatched it in the car. It's called Beige Turner instead of Page Turner, I guess. And then they have another one that I got that is called Sweet Talk. And I think this one is new too. So let's swatch this one. And this one looks to be a little bit more, yeah. Okay, this one might end up being too pink for me. We shall see about that. And this is just the slip hairband. A lot of times I just throw those on my arm in case I need to put my hair up. And then I got 2 of the new formula in the MAC, the Maximal. I really like this formula. And let's see, I got Blankety, which is just a classic. Matter of fact, let me put Blankety right here beside Beige Turner. Isn't that beautiful? It is a very light nude, but it's like almost like a cool toned. It's one of my favorites in the wintertime when I'm doing a darker eye. Today is Saturday makeup. Okay, and then this is Modesty. And this is a little bit more mauve. These are classics. Like these are ones I've had for years and years. But I feel very, very, very confident that you would like. Okay, I looked at all of the nail polishes to see if there was anything exciting for me to get for me to paint these really pitiful nails, but there wasn't anything that I really wanted. So I picked up my favorite Sachet Vite. You guys, if you want to be able to paint your nails like 30 minutes before you go to bed, this stuff dries so fast and it makes your nails look like you have gel polish on. It will get thick on you, so just get 1 bottle at a time and just use it up. Okay, then I got some hair accessories. I've been kind of feeling the hair accessories lately. I don't know if I'll ever use them, but in my quest, last night I just braided it and slept in braids, but I'm doing all the things to not use heat on it very much and not to have to style it. So I grabbed this hair accessory that I thought would look pretty. Like if you had on, I kind of like these when you have on like a suit, or I don't know. I like to mix it with something that isn't flowy. Like I wouldn't put this on with a dress. I would put this on with something that was more structured. I don't know, to give it more of that chic look. And then speaking of chic, these are all from Wet Brush. There was a whole little end cap with these. And this is just like a scrunchie with this little nude rose on it. I thought that was very chic. Okay, these are what I use when I do my braids. And I take them out and throw them away. They're just those little teeny tiny little cheap bands that come right out. They don't pull, and then you just throw them away. And I never had these with the little storage thing, so that is great. Okay, this, I don't know if I'll like or not. It just depends on how it feels in my hair, but they had these scrunchy little things like this, but in the faux leather. And when I was in LA on Rodeo Drive and I put my hair up that day, I really didn't mind it. I didn't mind it. I'm kind of old school where if I'm wearing my hair up, it's because I'm walking or I didn't have time to fix it, or I don't know, but I liked it. So I'm trying to embrace that. Okay, this I think is my favorite. These are the black rosebuds, but they're a big barrette. This with like all your hair or some of it. I might even give one of these to my mom to see if she wants. And then this, I'm not sure how good it will work, but the same concept. It's a jaw clip, but with the black roses on each side. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to share everything with you. If you saw something here that you want me to do a tutorial with, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Again, thank you to Ulta Beauty for partnering with me, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.